Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Creations. In today's tutorial, we will learn to make this cute origami wallet using a single sheet of paper. This handmade craft could be a perfect gift for upcoming Father's Day celebration. So do watch this tutorial till end friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my video. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If so, please do share it with your family and friends, and make sure to subscribe my channel for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this upload. Take care. Bye bye. See you again.